What up, y'all? What up? What up? What up? Every penny counts. I got another cash out for y'all in this site, Swag Bucks. You can see here. I'm about to collect my bonus, which is $1.26. That's 126 Swag Bucks. You see the balance up there, 3,708 Swag Bucks. That's equivalent to $37.08. So I'm gonna claim this bonus. I got this bonus just by completing my daily goal, day after day, just continuing to get streaks. You see here, my daily goal for today is if I get 90 Swag Bucks, I get an extra 9 cent. An extra 9 Swag Bucks. So I mean, it's little, but you see what it adds up to, 126 Swag Bucks. So like, you just get it every day and you'll just continue to pile on and make more and more money. I mean, it's all about the grind and putting in the work. So let me go ahead and claim this bonus real quick. And you said you successfully claimed the bonus, blah blah blah, all that kind of good stuff. And you see here my new balance is flashing, so $38.34. Now is what I'm at, and I'm going to actually cash out today. I'm probably cash out to $25. I mean, I like to let it build up. There's a reason I like to let it build up. I'm going to show you that when I cash out, but first let me show you what I do on this site. Very simple. I have basically the same routine. I always go here to answer, and their surveys here are really good because a lot of times they'll have bonuses. They'll have survey bonuses, like, once or twice a month. But what I go on here and do is I just go through and try all of these surveys. You see all of these different surveys they have, and they have really high paying ones too. I mean, you see here, look, you got 200 Swag Bucks for 20 minutes of your time. I mean, if you're fast answering surveys, you can get them faster, like I always tell you. Just continue to scroll down real quick. Just all the different surveys that they have. I mean, it's a lot of them. It's lots of them. I'm gonna keep on scrolling. Now you see here, 4 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. They don't take a long time at all. You just let it pile up. And the good thing about it is, say you take a survey and you don't qualify for it, you'll still get 1 swag, but you'll still get a penny for it. So that's what I do. I try to go through all of these surveys, as many as I can, as many as I have time for, because there's really this endless amount. I mean, you look here, just 1 minute, 14 Swag Bucks. I mean, just easy money. And the thing is like, I'm not able to qualify for all of them, of course. But the thing about it is, you just got to, keep grinding, keep putting in the work, and you'll realize that, you're actually making more and more money. Just, okay, if you just qualify for one survey, get your Swag Buck, go to the next survey. You might qualify for that one. You might get one of these 75-cent Swag Bucks. So just continue to put up the grind. My bad. Let me take that down. It's an update on my computer I need to do. But I mean, that's what I do. Go ahead. I really just focus on these surveys because there's so many available. You can actually make money with receipts right here. If you go to any one of these stores right here and you take a picture of your receipt, simple as that, you get 15 Swag Bucks. And there's an unlimited amount. You can go to these stores like, every day and just keep, taking pictures of the receipt, and you'll keep getting 15 Swag Bucks. This one right here, this is basically take a receipt of anything. You know what I'm saying? Take it within 10 days of the purchase. So you get 2 Swag Bucks for every time you do that. And the thing about it, if you've been following my channel, I have numerous apps where I get paid for receipts. So receipts are really becoming like one of my, slowly one of my bigger earners, because like I get one receipt and I use all these different apps to, get paid off that same receipt. And just Swag Bucks is another one. They recently started doing this a few months back, and I'm loving it because it's just, easy money. Also here, it's important that you kind of keep this filled out because, it says here every 10 questions you get 2 Swag Bucks. And these questions help them determine what kind of surveys they can send you, so you don't end up disqualifying for all of them. So it's very important that you go through and do that. It'll have you updated, like once, maybe twice a week. So I need to go through and do mine. Just continue to grind out and get more of those. Get paid for answering profile questions. It's always good like that. So that's mainly what I do here that you see. They also have offers that you can do, but I just want to really show you guys the surveys because that's where the big money is. And you see how many surveys they have on here, just an unlimited amount. I mean, every time you take one, that'll disappear, but another one pop up. So it's just lots and lots of surveys. So just when you go on here, when you create your account, focus on the surveys at first. Then when you get more comfortable with the site, then you start focusing on offers and, other things like that. They also have a daily poll that you can do right here. I think I already did mine today. I'm not really sure. Let me see. I think I did do this. I don't think it's actually showing my results. Yeah, I did it. So what you see here, I just scroll on all the way down, but I did it already. You get 1 Swag Buck for doing your daily poll every single day. So just another easy way to make money. So now let me go show you the redeem. I'm gonna go ahead and cash out. Like I said, I'm gonna cash out $25. I'm gonna show you why I do that, because right here, This is what I'm about to cash out. This Visa $25 reward card. I'm gonna go down and show you why, just like this, because it's on sale 13% off. So all they want is 2,175 swag bucks. So basically, all I gotta do is get them $21.75, and they're gonna give me a $25 Visa gift card. So I mean, that's an even deal. I mean, there's so many different things you can cash out on this site with when it comes to cash outs. Like, you can do PayPal, Amazon, a lot of different restaurants. But for me, I like to pay attention to the on sale rewards, because that means I get a discount on these prizes. And you can too. I mean, this is not just for me. This is for anybody that has an account with swag bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and claim this. And let me see right here. Simple as that. Claim your gift card. See right here, I don't need 2,500 swag bucks. All I need is 2,175. And it'll go through and tell you all the details about redeeming, all that good stuff. It'll send it to your email like within a couple of days. So just be looking out for the email. So I'm gonna click on claim gift card right here. And some personal information might pop up. So let me put the camera down here real quick. Yeah, my address and all that kind of stuff pops up. So I'm gonna go down. You just want to basically confirm your address. And you go here, click continue. And just like that, you should be straight. Just like that, this confirmation will be sent to your email, all that good stuff. So it's on its way. You see here, I have now 1,659 swag bucks. So it went down, obviously, and my gift card will be on its way. Very, very simple to do. And you gotta verify your order. I'm going to actually verify it with a security question. So let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. So you see here, it says verified. It verifies instantly if you do the security question, but you can also get it sent to your email. And the confirmation will go here to your email. I'm going to click on yes, please. And I'm straight after that. You know what I'm saying? It's going to go to another window, but I'll click on that and that's all I got to do. Very, very simple to do. Easy money, just going through, just banging out those surveys, letting my videos run when I'm doing my surveys, and just completing my daily goal every day. So I'm getting more money, and it's just easy money on this site. All right. So the link to this site will be in the description. Sign up so you can get free swag bucks, free bonus sent to your account instantly for using my referral link. And, you know, you can just take off and do exactly what I just showed you. Just go through and do as many of those surveys as you can. You know, if you get frustrated, take a break. But like I said, for everyone you disqualify for, they're going to give you a penny. So you're going to get something for your time. A penny might not seem like a lot, but let's say you go through and do 10 surveys, you know, you don't qualify for them. They're going to let you know fairly in the beginning if you're going to qualify for them. So you're not going to have to go through like half a survey and, oh, you get kicked out. You know what I'm saying? It's all about answering questions, you know, consistently and accurately, making sure they line up, you know, making sure you're not lying, because a lot of times people lie on the surveys and they wonder why they get disqualified because you're lying. You know, when you have your survey profile filled out correctly, you know what I'm saying, when you have that good, and they'll send you the surveys that are catered towards that. So tell the truth, you know, make sure your, you know, surveys are, you know, always accurate with what you really do and what you really have, things like that. So you'll find you'll qualify for more and more surveys. So I just want to show you guys that cash out $25 Visa gift card. Only had to give them 2,175 swag bucks, a very cool discount. I get this all the time, so I highly recommend you guys sign up for this site today. Like I said, the link is in the description for you to sign up. Subscribe to my channel so you can always find out new ways to make money online. You know, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. But, you know, just keep on riding with me. I'm continue to show you guys how you can build an income online completely free. All right. So again, sign up with the link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts.